Hello guys, ayan.
Look, all over here.
Luto na yung ating Father's Day handa, konting handa guys. Meron tayong pad thai, fishball and crab ball. Meron tayong crispy pata. Ewan ko kung crispy nga yan guys. Itong snow peas from my garden. Pork adobo, Filipino. Fried chicken wings and barbecue chicken wings. Ayan guys, ito na yung rice natin. Nandito yung ating mga yung isa ayaw yung mga apo ko ayaw kumain guys nung isa nag-aaway sila ng daddy niya.
I'm gonna chuck this away. I'm gonna chuck it away.
Bakit ayaw kumain?
Eat first, I give you panda.